Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add alert on your TradingView account. Adding alerts on TradingView is a great way to stay notified when certain conditions are met for a specific assets or chart. Here is how you do it. Open the TradingView application and log in using your credentials. After you're in the home page of TradingView, tap on the chart button at the bottom of the screen to open up the chart. Go ahead and choose the asset from the bottom left corner and pick the asset you want to be alerted for, and then click on the three dots at the bottom right next to the asset. Now in the More menu, go ahead and tap on Alert Management. Click on Create Alert, and then on the next page, a window will pop up where you can define your alert conditions. You can choose to set alert for various conditions such as price crossing a specific level, that is, price crosses above or below a certain value. Enter your value in the text box and right where it says trigger, go ahead and select how frequent you want to be alerted. Choose between only once or every time. You can also enter the date for your alert, and then make sure to enter the name for your alert. If you want to mention any message or describe your alert in the text box, you can do so by typing down an information in the message box. And finally, click on the Create button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add an alert on your TradingView account for a specific asset. So that is how you can easily add alert on TradingView account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.